If you think about it, the brain is one of the most extraordinary organs in the human body. I mean, just consider all the things it does, from making you feel emotions to enabling you to walk, talk, and think. The brain is truly remarkable. And while we may not be able to directly see or touch our thoughts, we can fuel our brains by eating specific nutrients that have been shown to enhance cognitive performance, memory, and general brain health. In today's video, we will be discussing how food impacts brain health, so make sure to watch till the end to find out how. First, let's talk about the powerhouse of the brain, neurons. These specialized cells enable the brain to perform all its amazing functions. They transmit signals throughout the body and are vital for everything from movement to cognition. Now, neurons are particularly sensitive to changes in our diet, and they need specific types of fat to stay healthy and functional. Enter structural fats, a type of fat that plays a crucial role in maintaining the physical integrity of cell membranes, including those in our neurons. These fats, when consumed, don't just get digested and moved along. They become an integral part of the structure that surrounds and protects our brain cells. This protective layer is not just a passive barrier. It's a dynamic component that helps regulate the flow of substances in and out of the neuron, ensuring they stay healthy and can send signals effectively. Structural fats are more than just a passive part of the cell membrane. They actively participate in various processes within the neuron, including the generation and transmission of nerve impulses. When a neuron is stimulated, these fats help maintain the electrical potential across the cell membrane, allowing the neuron to fire and send signals. Without these fats, the electrical signaling that underpins our brain's functions would be compromised, affecting everything from muscle movement to cognitive processes. Now let's talk about the star of the structural fat show, omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These omega-3s are renowned for their role in brain health. EPA and DHA are abundant in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, and they play a pivotal role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. These fatty acids are incorporated into the cell membranes of neurons, providing them with several benefits. First, they enhance the fluidity of the cell membrane, keeping it flexible and adaptable. This fluidity is crucial for processes like signal transduction, where the cell receives and responds to messages from its environment. Second, they promote the formation of synapses, the connections between neurons that facilitate communication within the brain. Adequate amounts of EPA and DHA ensure that these connections are strong and efficient, supporting optimal brain function. Unfortunately, many people don't consume enough of these essential fats, which can lead to structural and functional changes in the brain. Diets low in omega-3s can result in a less fluid, less adaptable cell membrane, affecting the brain's ability to communicate and respond to stimuli. Additionally, a deficiency in these fats can impair synapse formation and maintenance, leading to communication breakdowns within the brain. These structural changes can manifest as cognitive issues, mood disorders, and even contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. That's why it's so important to include foods rich in omega-3s in your diet. If you're a fan of fish, incorporating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines into your weekly meals can be a delicious way to meet your omega-3 needs. However, if you're not a seafood person, don't worry. You can still get your omega-3s from plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These tiny powerhouses are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, another form of omega-3 that the body can convert into EPA and DHA, although not as efficiently as direct consumption of EPA and DHA. In addition to a balanced diet, other lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in supporting optimal brain function. Getting enough sleep is essential for memory consolidation and long-term brain health. Quality sleep helps the brain process and store memories, ensuring they're readily available when needed. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of cognitive decline. Engaging in regular cardio exercise is equally important. Aerobic activity enhances blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain, keeping it energized and enhancing cognitive performance. Maintaining brain health is a multifaceted journey, and while there's no one-size-fits-all solution, understanding the profound connection between our diet and brain function is a significant first step. By making conscious food choices, getting regular exercise, and prioritizing sleep, we can lay the foundation for a healthier, sharper mind. Remember, it's not just about preventing decline. It's about promoting optimal brain health and enhancing our cognitive capabilities throughout life.